Who should be cautious when consuming honey? Honey is often seen as a natural sweetener with various health benefits, but not everyone should be diving into that honey jar without a second thought. First up, let's talk about infants. If you're thinking about giving honey to a baby under 1 year old, hold up. Honey can contain spores that lead to botulism, which is super dangerous for little ones. Their immune systems are still developing, so it's best to stick with something safer until they reach that magical 1 year mark. Next on the list are people with allergies. If you've got a bee allergy or even a pollen allergy, honey might not be your best friend. Even though honey is often touted for its allergy-fighting properties, if you're allergic, it could actually trigger a reaction instead. Now, let's talk about diabetics. Honey might seem like a healthier alternative to sugar, but it's still packed with carbohydrates and can spike blood sugar levels. If you're managing diabetes, it's crucial to keep an eye on how much honey you're consuming and consider talking to your healthcare provider. And then we have those who are trying to lose weight. While honey is often marketed as a healthier sweetener, it can still contribute to those pesky calories. So, if you're trying to shed some pounds, it's wise to use honey in moderation. Don't let those golden drops fool you into thinking they're a free pass to sweet indulgence. Also, did you know that some honey can be a bit iffy in terms of quality? Yeah, that's right. Not all honey is created equal. Some brands might be mixed with added sugars or syrups, which can throw off your health goals. So, always check the label and go for raw, organic honey if you can. Now, let's not forget about those on certain medications. If you're taking blood thinners or medications for heart conditions, honey can interfere with how those meds work. It's always a good idea to consult with your doctor if you're unsure about whether honey fits into your diet. And what about those with digestive issues? If you've got a sensitive stomach or conditions like IBS, honey can sometimes act as a laxative. So, if you notice that honey doesn't sit well with you, it might be best to steer clear. Plus, let's not overlook dental health. Honey is still a sugar, and over-consuming it can lead to cavities and other dental issues. So, if you care about your pearly whites, remember to brush after enjoying that sweet treat. But hey, it's not all doom and gloom. For most people, honey can be a delightful addition to your diet when consumed responsibly. It can provide antioxidants, soothe sore throats, and even give you a little energy boost. Just remember to be mindful of how much and when you're enjoying it. So, who should be cautious when consuming honey? Well, pretty much anyone in the categories we